You use AI to reclaim 3, 5, 10, even more hours a week. But here's the twist. If you don't protect those hours, you won't gain freedom. You will gain guilt. Because the time comes back and you will feel it again with emails, laundry, and just that one more thing. Reclaim 5 hours without refilling your calendar. In 4 minutes, I'll show you the prompt that exposes the ghost work still in your life. If you keep giving your best hours to other people's urgencies, you won't burn out from workload. You will burn out from betraying your own priorities. Today, I'll show you how to use AI like a chief of staff, so you don't only protect your energy and your time, but also your purpose. Most time management advice is about squeezing more tasks into less time. But the future field leader creates time for what matters the most. By the end of this video, you will have an energy audit of your calendar, drain versus refill, a future fit weekly template that protects your peak hours, and boundary scripts that sound strategic, not apologetic. And at the end, I'll show you the one polite habit that quietly destroys your energy, so you can immediately stop doing that. Let's think about your typical Monday. You wake up with a plan, you go to work, and you have your list of strategic things to do. The thing that actually makes an impact. Impacts your vision, your career, your legacy. But then, the day happens. An urgent minute gets added, urgent emails hits, someone asks you for just 15 minutes. By 5 p.m., your day has been consumed by other people's emergencies. And sadly, the cost isn't just those 8 hours lost. It's the quiet grief of realizing that you were present in everyone else's meetings, but absent from your own life. You become a ghost in your own calendar. Prompt number 1 brings you back from the dead fast. Burnout doesn't come from working hard. It comes from working hard on things that don't matter. The future fit leader sorts her week into 2 categories. Refill activities, the ones that they give you energy, clarity, and confidence. The drain activities, the ones that take the energy, create resentment, and keep you in the reactive mode. AI is going to help you run a cool, clean audit so you can stop being a victim of your own calendar. Let's audit first, then we will do redesign. Here's the prompt number 1, energy audit, your chief of staff. We're going to look at your calendar with the lens of energy ROI. Here is the prompt ready for you to copy and paste. Act as my chief of staff, help me conduct an energy audit. I will paste my weekly calendar below. For each block, identify, is this a drain or a refill activity? Could this be delegated, automated with AI, or eliminated? What are the top 3 ghost activities I'm doing just to be polite? Create a summary showing my total drain hours versus refill hours. This is what I do and teach my clients. It only takes 2 minutes. You're gonna copy paste your calendar. That's very rough. Don't overthink it, just copy and paste. Let AI label it. When you see that 50 or 60% of your week is ghost work, you stop feeling busy and start feeling ready for change. Next, we rebuild your week around your biology, not your inbox. Here is the prompt number 2, your future fit weekly template. Now it's time for us to redesign your week based on how you actually function. Here is the prompt ready for you to copy and paste. Based on my energy audit, design a future fit weekly template. Consider my peak energy hours, and then you put them in the brackets. Protect these for deep work. Batch all drain activities into 1 afternoon block. Schedule 5 hours of refill time, my CEO power hours. Create a realistic balance between being available for my team and being available for my vision. The output is going to be a weekly calendar template plus 3 non-negotiable rules. The result, you move from managing your time to designing your life. You need to protect your time. You protect your creative hours like $1 million asset, because they are. Now we defend it, because a schedule without boundaries is just a wish. Prompt number 3, strategic boundaries script. This is where most women leaders fail, because they don't want to be difficult. But boundaries aren't being rude, they are leadership. So here is the prompt for you to copy and paste. Help me protect my CEO power hours. Give me 4 professional high authority scripts to: number 1, Decline a meeting during protected time with an alternative option. 2. Respond to an urgent request that isn't a real crisis. 3. Set expectations with my team about my availability. 4. Push back when someone tries to override my priorities. Ensure the tone is strategic and leader-like, not apologetic. The result? You stop asking for permission to have a life. Remember I said I'll show you the polite habit that destroys your energy? Well, this is it. Being instantly available. The moment you respond immediately to everything, you train people that your time is public property. Swap it for one line like this. I can look at this at 2 p.m. If it's urgent, please call me. I'm in protected work. I'll respond in my next window. Or noted. I'll prioritize and come back with a recommendation. Availability isn't leadership. Direction is. Now, if there is something I want you to remember about today, and please write this down, is this. Time management is actually loyalty management. Are you more loyal to other people's urgencies or to your own purpose? Here is your challenge this week. Run prop number 1 this week. Get your energy audit done. Run from 3 and defend one boundary. Just one. And let me know in the comments what happens to your energy when you stop giving away it for free. If you want the full library with 18 prompts, download the blueprint. The link is in the description of the video. Remember, next use case is number 4, personal branding. We will use AI to build your authority without spending hours on LinkedIn. An energized women leader changes the world. A burnout just manages it. See you soon.